Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about the if statement. The decision making in Java is very easy and it can be simplified down to an if statement, which simply means if and then your condition. The Java if statement is the most simple decision making statement. It's used to decide whether a certain statement or block of statements will be executed or not. If a certain condition is true, it will execute, and if it's false, it will not be executed. Now I'm going to pull up an easier way to understand this on my computer. This is a very simple way to understand how an if statement works. As you can see, we have the if statement and then the condition. It's also important that when you're coding this that you make sure to include these curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets is what will be considered as part of the if statement. So here we have the body of if statements that we want to be executed. These if statements look at booleans. This is true or false. If something is false, we will come down here outside of the if statement and execute whatever is outside of the if statement. However, if it is true, we will run what's inside these curly brackets. When you get more advanced, you can create nested if statements, which help if there are multiple conditions that you want to test. There's also if-else statements, and else statements help you execute something if there is multiple if statements and you want something outside of those. There are many other ways you can tackle statements like while loops, do while loops, and switch statements as well. If statements are the simplest way to learn, and they are my favorite things to use when coding in Java.